Welcome to our video where we will be comparing two of the top air fryers on the market today. We'll be looking at the Secura air fryer and the COSORI air fryer toaster oven to help you decide which one is right for you. Don't forget to like this video, comment below, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews. Both air fryers have large capacities, but the COSORI air fryer toaster oven has a 26-quart capacity, making it the bigger option. This means it can fit up to 6 slices of bread, a 12-inch pizza, or a 5 pounds whole chicken. The Secura air fryer has a 5.3 quarts, 5.0 liters basket, making it one of the largest fryers on the market. The COSORI air fryer toaster oven has 12 different functions, including air fry, roast, bake, broil, and toast. You can save your preferred time and temperature for each function, giving you even more control. The Secura air fryer is an all-in-one convenience cooker and can fry, roast, bake, reheat, or grill. The Secura air fryer uses convection technology, which uses rapidly circulating heated air for fast and even frying with little to no oil. The COSORI air fryer toaster oven has 6 heat elements, a 2-speed fan, and temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing it to cook up to 30% faster than a traditional convection oven. The Secura air fryer is priced at $56 US, while the COSORI air fryer toaster oven is priced at $149 US. The COSORI air fryer toaster oven is more expensive, but it has more functions and a larger capacity. The COSORI air fryer toaster oven can connect to the VSync app, allowing you to make meals at the touch of a button, or enjoy hands-free control of your oven by connecting to Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. It also comes with a recipe book with 30 chef-made recipes. The Secura air fryer does not have any smart features. Overall, both air fryers have their strengths and weaknesses. The Secura air fryer is a great option if you're looking for a large capacity air fryer that is easy to use. The COSORI air fryer toaster oven is ideal if you want an air fryer with more functions and smart features, and if you're willing to spend a bit more. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews.